Day one, no subscribers, no fan base, just me, a camera, and my mind spinning from information overload. Starting my YouTube channel felt like jumping into the deep end without knowing how to swim, exciting and terrifying all at once. The moment I committed, I was bombarded by a sea of online gurus, each shouting their version of the right way to succeed.
Baby, I'm about to do that thing. Said I'm about to do that thing. You about to tell your friends that I'm about to do that thing.
Advice clashed, tutorials overlapped, and suddenly every decision felt like it carried the weight of my future. Apps were everywhere, editing tools, branding kits, audio mixers, and they all promised to be the best. Some were flashy, some functional, some too complicated to even try. I wasn't just choosing software, I was trying to carve out my space in a jungle of digital noise. And then came the voices. Not from within, but from outside. Friends, strangers, commentators.
Your first video is not going to get views, period. It's not. Your first 10 are not going to get views. I can very confidently say that.
Everyone betting I'd never last, that I wouldn't crack the so-called mystery of YouTube, that I'd burn out long before I figured anything out. But I didn't start this to prove them wrong. I started this to prove myself right. With uncertainty swirling around me and doubt creeping in, I leaned into the chaos, hit record, and decided that my story, messy, imperfect, and raw, was worth telling. I got this. This is the beginning. From zero to something, from chaos to clarity. Stay up to date on my journey. Hit the subscribe and thumbs up button on your way out. God bless and have a great day.